Imagine if you could point, click, get viral traffic, and make sales in 60 seconds or less. Well, now you can with our brand new revolutionary software that drives free viral traffic to any website of your choice with just a few clicks of the mouse. So listen up. Hello and welcome on behalf of Billy Darr, David Kirby, and Justin Opay. We have created a brand new, bespoke viral traffic generation software. A viral software that can change the life of any digital entrepreneur who is lucky enough to get their hands on it. It's called Viral Studio. We developed Viral Studio for ourselves to drive more viral traffic to our sales pages, landing pages, and affiliate links. But after trialing Viral Studio, we decided that the tool was simply too powerful not to share with our valued and loyal customers. Viral Studio works by sourcing free-to-use image and video content that is already viral, proven to attract traffic and click-throughs, and posts that content to our social media profiles and pages, along with the link of any website we want to drive traffic to for instant traffic, leads, and sales. That link could be to our sales pages, landing pages, affiliate links, Shopify stores, or any website we want to promote. Viral Studio is so intuitive that you never have to create any content yourself. All you need to do is add a few simple details into Viral Studio, click the mouse a few times, and bang! Within 60 seconds, viral traffic streams are up and running to any website of your choice, enabling you to sit back and relax as traffic pours into your website, your affiliate link, your CPA link, your e-commerce website, your blog, or any other website of your choice. So if you want to make more sales, generate more leads, build a bigger list, grow a bigger social following, or simply increase your bottom line, Viral Studio is an essential tool for your online marketing arsenal. Viral Studio makes driving traffic as easy as ABC. A. Log into the software from any device, anywhere in the world with an internet connection. B. Add a few pieces of simple information into the software, like the link you want to drive traffic to. C. Click Go and let Viral Studio post traffic-sucking viral content to your social media pages for viral traffic and sales today. That's right, driving high-quality free traffic has never been this easy. And you know what else is phenomenal about Viral Studio? We've made the software cloud-based, so you can use it from anywhere in the world with an internet connection, making it ideal for entrepreneurs who work from different locations or while traveling. What's even better, Viral Studio works on any device, enabling you to drive viral traffic without even having to get on the computer. It's a dream for digital marketers who want to continue to make sales while traveling with nothing more than their smartphone. So now comes the part you've been waiting for. How much is this viral traffic generating monster going to set you back? Well, you're going to be very pleasantly surprised. We didn't create Viral Studio to sell for profit. We created it to increase the success of our online businesses. But as the software is so powerful, we wanted to release it to a limited amount of our valued customers and like-minded marketers. After all, there are billions of users logging into social media daily, so there's no chance of this method ever getting saturated. With that in mind, we're not going to price anyone out of accessing Viral Studio. In fact, to make this super affordable, we scrapped our plans to charge a monthly subscription for the software and decided to give you instant access for a single one-time investment today. And it's going to be a super affordable payment too. In addition to Viral Studio, you'll also receive the following when you invest in instant access to the software today. World-class customer support. Our support team are always available to help you with any software or training problems that arise. Simply raise a support ticket and you will receive a prompt reply from our team of dedicated experts. Marketing training, worth $397. Do you love the idea of free viral traffic but not sure exactly how to utilize it? Our video training teaches you exactly how you can use this traffic to get leads and sales today. Agency license, worth $997. For the first few buyers, we are including our agency license worth $997 absolutely free. This means you can use Viral Studio for your clients and charge them for it. It's a fantastic way to bring in additional revenue. And that's not all. If you act today, you'll receive bonuses with the retail value of thousands of dollars absolutely free. All of this for a single one-time investment today. We're also including a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's absolutely no risk to you. That's right, we're starting 2019 with a bang. What's the catch? Well, there are two. Firstly, we're raising the price of Viral Studio every 60 minutes. So to get in for the lowest price, you must act now. Secondly, we're keeping this release limited. We reserve the right to remove this page at any time without prior notice. So if you want this viral traffic generating monster in your marketing arsenal, do not waste another second thinking. Hit the buy button below for instant access to Viral Studio and start sending high-quality viral traffic to any website of your choice within 60 seconds for leads and sales today.